Hi guys, it's Matt here from Sports Card World in Adelaide. Today I'm going to do a box break for the new 2017-18 Panini Totally Certified NBA. There's 8 packs per box and 5 cards per pack. And it should be 1 autograph and 1 memorabilia card per box. I'll crack into this and see how we go. So these are selling for $24.99 a pack and $1.75 per box. And we have plenty of stock available. Pack. Alright, see how we go. So your base cards out. So registered mail. It's numbered. Cards to finish off the first pack. Another certified mail, this one, Rudy Gobert. And base. So one of the rookies, Justin Patton, these ones are numbered out of 199. Base. So we have one of the rookie roll call signatures, Frank Mason III. This one looks like it's the camo version. These are numbered out of 25. I'll just get that in shot there. So 6 of 25. Nice on-card signature. Nice Ben Simmons. Base. So yeah, unlike previous years, I guess they've changed up certified. Obviously a few years ago it was 1 hit per pack, and gradually sort of taken away the hits. But then with these cards this year, it looks like you get 1 sort of insert parallel per pack, and obviously the autograph and memorabilia within the box. It looks like we've got another hit here. So the Fabrics of the Game. The Aaron Fox, this one's numbered out of 249. Individually numbered. Jersey card. And the Mighty Thomas. A couple of base to finish it off. Energizers, Lowry, a couple packs to go. On the purple foils, Bradley Beal. And last pack. Another, I'm not sure what the name of this set is. A nice looking card there to finish off the box, and a couple base. So you have it, guys, a box of the brand new 17-18 Panini Totally Certified NBA. As I mentioned, $1.75 per box, $24.99 a pack. I'll just give you a look at what we got again. So 1 autograph, 1 memorabilia card per box. So the order that we got out of 25. there you have it, guys. So thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already, please like us on Facebook or follow us on Instagram. If you're watching this video on YouTube, please subscribe to our channel and like the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Cheers.